Hi there, last time we showed you the welding process of stainless steel. This time we showed you the welding process of brass. Our laser welding machine can also weld carbon steel, mild steel, aluminum, galvanized iron, titanium, and other metal materials. This time the welder performed external fillet welding on the samples. The welding gun is equipped with welding copper nozzles for external fillet welding. The welding gun is also equipped with various types of copper nozzles to realize the full functions of our laser welding machine. We will talk about these in the next long video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.